Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread love. Your pal is back with hashtag Amor Talk video. So there's a very famous saying that if you want rainbow, you have to face the storm. So waking up from bed to take a bath or to drink a glass of water, we need some sort of motivation. So I am a girl who do not like drinking water at all. But मेरा skin बोल देता है कि I am feeling dehydrated. There are so many breakouts और मुझे इतना सारा problems हो गया था. That keeps me motivated कि नहीं, if you want to look good, you have to drink water. तो ये जो हमारा mind है ना, we have to make them fool. Like हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ excuse देना पड़ता है और you have to explain them to keep yourself motivated. And always remember that motivation does not come like spoon feeding. If you watch a monk's video or if you blankly read a book and you don't feel the book, then you are not motivated. So this is a very ongoing process and a journey with yourself. So we have often seen that our parents being like promising us that if you achieve this goal or if you achieve get a good marks in your examination, we will give you this and that. So then you will see that a child gets motivated to achieve the goal to get something from their parents. So there's small little things, if you notice ना, आप देख रहे हो अपने आप को मोटिवेट कर रहे हो. So you can achieve anything, but आपका जो वो motivation है, आपका जो determination है, that should be into a high level. Always remember that diamond is just a piece of charcoal until it's polished. So you have all potential hidden inside yourself, but there is a lack of motivation inside you. So as I've already told you that हम लोग को सुबह को उठने से लेके to work out, everything we need a little push. That is motivation. So how many of your mom is your alarm clock? Like she has switched on the fan and after getting frustrated and like बहुत गर्मी लगने के बाद you wake up. Trust me, this has become my motivation to wake up in the morning. So I will explain you with a very basic example. During your examination time, if you have slept in the 6 in the morning and 8 आपको सुबह 8 बजे एग्जाम है, so you tend to wake up. क्यों? आपको वो मोटिवेशन है कि हमको एग्जाम देना है, तो वो प्रेशर में आप उठ जाते. वैसे ही सेम थिंग हमको हमारे लाइफ में एक प्रेशर चाहिए होता है टू बी मोटिवेटेड. सो ट्रस्ट मी, विदाउट प्रेशर हमारा बॉडी काम ही नहीं करता है. सपोज यू हैव लेफ्ट अ कंपनी 3 months बिफोर योर कैट एग्जामिनेशन. ट्रस्ट मी, जितना आपका डेट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन पास आएगा ना, उतना ही आपको वो प्रेशर फील होगा एंड दैट विल ओनली मेक यू मोटिवेटेड. सो दैट एग्जामिनेशन इज अ की पॉइंट टू कीप योर सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड कि हमको वो डेडलाइन तक ये पूरा करना है, अपना प्रिपरेशन पूरा एकदम कंप्लीट रखना है. फर्स्ट of all, setting out goal is very important. You have to turn out the invisible goal into the visible one. So when you are working under the pressure now, you have to constantly remind yourself to take a break, to take a chill pill and just to relax कि नहीं, all is well. Moreover, you have to give time to yourself to sink in the success or the failure you get in the past. Motivation is a continuous process. So if you have achieved any success or if you have achieved any goal, remember the hardship which you have faced to get the goal. If somebody else is also going through it, try to motivate others as well. As I said, it is a continuous process. What goes back, it always comes to you. So try to share your journey as much as possible. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जिसको तिसको पकड़ के अपना जर्नी सुनाते रहो. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. You observe, like आपके अराउंड ही में कितने लोग होंगे जिनको like आपके फ्रेंड्स में, आपके फैमिली में, कजन्स, एनीबडी, कभी भी कोई भी पॉइंट ऑफ द टाइम में उनको बहुत ही लो फील हो रहा होगा. So if you have faced the same, somebody around you has faced the breakup, make sure that you also help the other person to come out. You will also come across a point जब आप बहुत low feel कर रहे होंगे, any of those people will come up to you and like help you out. So motivating others will make you more empowered and also you will see that you are also getting like motivated in the process. So next point, I am gonna emphasize about your surrounding. I cannot emphasize this point how important this part is. Cut down your like negative people from your life. Cut down the negative things you are into in your life. Suppose you have a peer group where they always gossip about people, who always talk negative about people and like whole lot of negativity around, you will never get motivated. So you have always heard that if you want to achieve a goal, you have to surround yourself with the same minded people. So make sure that you come across people who are alike minded of yours. Your surrounding matters a lot how you are getting motivated. Unluckily, if you are surrounded with a negative kind of people, you cannot like push yourself to be the best. They will always pull you down. So for your betterment, you have to find a better place, like which place is better for you. Is this negative people are good for you or the positive ones? So you have to take a decision by yourself. So if there's toxic people around you and you cannot avoid them, in that case, grab a headphone. Always keep the headphone in your ears. So in that process, what happens? You are avoiding them completely. And when you are not listening to them, तो आप में negative impact नहीं आएगा. And also make sure that you distance yourself from them. So my next point is very optional. It's up to you that how you take it. So I have been following some monks and reading some not spiritual books. They are motivational books that will keep you going, that will push yourself to the best. So always get along with the people, not only physically but virtually also, like positive people and the like-minded people, as I already said. So those people will motivate you and will take out the best from your side. Remember that your life does not change in a blink of an eye, or you cannot get motivated in just a few seconds. You need some time because आपका body एक system के type चल रहा था. Suddenly you have to change it. Then you have to like keep yourself habituated with the new one. So as you all know that we all are surrounded with so much of toxic people, especially like I feel that those who are creating content on this platform, they are being judged for everything. So here I am not telling you to follow the people whom I follow, but whosoever you like. So it may be your friend or someone you are watching, like anybody, any of your favorite content creator who is motivating you, or anybody. It might be your mom or it might be any of you. It might be a small child also will be motivating you. There's so much of things to learn from a child because they're so full of innocence. So when there's evil, there's good people also all over. But you have to open your eyes and you have to open your mind to search out there. So these are the few little points that I have shared with you, and I hope that it will help you out and you will introspect yourself. So Amos, that's all for today's video. I feel that I have given you much points today, but there's lot more points to be discussed. I don't want this video to be so long, but these all things have helped me a lot. So I hope this video has helped you in the little way. Until next time, meet you. Take care, love you, bye bye.